Hello, my name is Derek Ho. I'm Product Manager at SINTRONES. Let's talk about an insight into fleet management solutions and how it makes our lives better. And I believe the application I'm going to share with you is very close to our regular lives. Especially if you are parents and have kids in school, I'm sure you will feel very touched from my presentation today. I would like to introduce you school bus fleet management. Let's try to imagine a world without a good school bus fleet management system. What will happen? First, there will be uncertainty with student safety on school buses because there is no live video for monitoring inside or outside of the school bus. Parents cannot be sure whether their kids catch school bus on time or their attendance. Second, without school bus repair and maintenance records, it cannot be sure if the school bus is following guidelines to get serviced. If not, it might cause unexpected breakdown or accident during operations. Third, there will be no record of the school bus driver's driving behavior, which might include dangerous driving, overspeeding, running a red light, or drunk driving. Those improper driving behaviors might cause car accidents by human mistakes. For the reason outlined above, the safety of our kids and students will always be a concern, and parents may worry all the time. I'm sure we will have unsatisfied and angry parents. What functions are required for a good school bus fleet management system? It should include live camera for monitoring inside or outside of the school bus. It needs online attendance system to make sure our kids get on the bus at the right time. And it should also include live tracking and geofacing to make sure bus drivers are following the route to school or a destination. Complete bus maintenance report and required because we need to make sure the school bus is always follow the guideline to get the service. What equipment is necessary for a school bus to be able to fulfill the requirement in the last page? A network video recording, which is NVR system, for getting video inside or outside buses needed. LTE or 5G connectivity system is for upload the video or connect to network for data transmission. GPS is for getting right positioning and traceability for making sure the school bus on the right way and follow the geofacing. Furthermore, a controller area network, which is CAN bus, is also needed. It is a community system between bus and in-vehicle computers for reading information such as fuel consumption, brakes, speed, maintenance records. If install such many devices in a school bus is needed, it does not only occupy space, but also create higher failure rate. It's increased difficulty for communication between device to device. Furthermore, if any one of device goes out of service, the entire fleet management system cannot be operated properly. Today, SINTRONES technology provides an all-in-one solution for cover all the above devices. The solution is VBUS 3611 series. So now, I will go a little bit more in depth about how the VBUS offers each of the functionality I mentioned earlier. The first function I would like to talk about is real-time video monitoring for safety. VBUS series can connect with multiple IP cameras in parallel. It can also connect with optional video capture card. The video capture cards are capable for connecting with several analog cameras. From those cameras, parents or control center can get live video of inside or outside the school bus and check student safety no matter where they want to see. VBUS 3611 series can install one 5G or LTE modem with two different carriers SIM cards. As shown in option 1, it can be switched to the one with better signal, or by the location of the bus. It can also install dual modems as well as 2 carriers as option 2. For example, AT&T and Verizon can be connected at the same time. While the school bus in service, it can get wider bandwidth or redundancy modem. It is to ensure that wireless connectivity is not interrupted by weak connection or signal loss. And video or data transmission will be secure while the school bus is in operation. Next, I would like to talk about GPS functionality. We know GPS rely on satellite signal. However, the satellite signal might be reduced or blocked by the surrounding environment over buildings. Take an example. When a school bus goes into a tunnel or a big city like New York with many high-rises, the GPS signal may get weak or lost connection, as shown in Figure 1. V-Bus series provide GPS with high-precision data reckoning. Even if the school bus is in a shielded satellite signal, as long as you have the computer installed on board, you can still get traceability and will not be affected by satellite connectivity, as shown in Figure 2. Previously, I talked about how the V-Bus series has the CAN bus function to control drivers' driving behavior or vehicle data. On top of CAN bus, SINTRONES has one of the most important patents, which is battery backup solution for uninterrupted in-vehicle operations. Let's try to imagine a situation could happen in our real world. If a school bus gets into a serious accident in a tunnel, and the school bus has installed our solution with patented battery backup and GPS data reckoning, the car battery on bus may be cut off to avoid fire, or more dangerous. The device in the bus can still operate with backup battery and trace its location based on the data reckoning technology. When the computer can send SOS message to control center or to emergency call center, they can dispatch ambulance or send rescue team immediately, and will be knowing the exact location of the school bus. So, this is one of the examples of how important the backup battery solution can provide. V-Bus series product has also software integration, which allow parents to see live video footage from their mobile phone or computer. This information will always be available to the parents. In addition, Control Center can monitor drivers' driving behavior in case of any dangerous driving. If it is happened, the center can send message or urgent call to remind driver and stop the improper driving as a remote monitoring functionality. With the V-Bus 3611 series deployed to serve as a school bus fleet management system, parents can now rely on the system and worry less about their kids' safety on the way to school or the way back. If parents have any concern, they can just check it in the video from their mobile phone anytime. The maintenance record of school bus can be systemized and reduce the risk of breakdown in the middle of the road. Drivers' behavior can be also monitored and prevent possible accidents caused by humans. Our students and kids will be in a safer environment. Certainly, we will have happy parents. Other than the school bus application, SINTRONES also provide products for bus rapid transit system. As you may be aware, we can see more and more city buses provide app service on mobile phone in recent years. Passengers have access to information such as time of bus arrival or distance of when the next bus would arrive. Such passenger information made available through our V-Bus 3131 or V-Bus 3121, which is compact size and includes 5G LTE, GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Those functions are implemented in city buses and reach bus rapid transit management system. As we can see, the most major cities provide the service. On top of bus rapid transit solution, our products are also used in government and public sector vehicles, such as fire trucks, police cars, ambulance, or garbage truck fleet management. Our in-vehicle computers are being sold worldwide and installed in all kinds of public sectors. Furthermore, SINTRONES also provide railway and rolling stock in-vehicle computer products, such as VBUS 3620 series and VBUS 3611 with IP65 version. Those products are not only certified European rolling stock standard EN 5155, but also can be operated in critical environment conditions from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius. Currently, SINTRONES rolling stock products has been installed in many national railways, such as UK Railway, Italian National Railway, Polish Railway, and city chain in Czech Republic. SINTRONES rolling stock in-vehicle computer is a well-known brand in the field and a leader in the market. This is my presentation today. Thank you for your time.